This is the rate of perceived exertion scale. So simply 1 to 10 scale of how hard of an effort you're providing during a given workout. If we look at 1, it's going to be the easiest level. So very light, something that does not really increase your heart rate or your respiratory rate. Super simple, something you can do for hours at a time. Okay, so that's like a very leisurely walk. 2 to 3, you're looking at more of a light activity. So potentially the beginning of your warm up, a leisurely bike ride, an easy jog, very easy to breathe, only gets the heart rate up a little bit at a 2 to 3. 4 to 6, you're looking at kind of the end of your warm up, hopefully, for your workout, or kind of a regular easy run day. Okay, so not really a warm-up jog, but you're starting to like actually get a little bit of an increase in your heart rate, but you're still able to converse with your buddies throughout this entire time. Okay, so that's a very moderate 4 to 6 level. Once we start to get to the 7 to 8, we're starting to look more at like a tempo run effort, or kind of the meat of, say, a CrossFit workout. So you're able to provide short sentences, but your heart rate has increased, your breathing, respiratory rate has increased, and you're giving a really good effort at a 7 to 8 out of 10 there. Okay. Very hard. We're starting to see that kind of transition from that anaerobic or aerobic to anaerobic threshold. So we're starting to get a little bit more oxygen deprivation. The heart rate's really going up, the respiratory rate's going up. We're starting to see some lactic acid starting to build up. You're only able to speak a few words during this. So this would be kind of at the end of a Cindy workout for CrossFit, or some of your higher intensity, lower distance running efforts. So we're looking at kind of an 800 and under, potentially a 1200 and under, but typically if we're going for a mile or more, we're looking more at like a 7 or 8. And then there's your max effort. So this is looking at more like a sprint. So this could be potentially the end of an AMRAP, or if you're looking at like max effort sprints on the bike, or running, potentially the end of a hill workout, or the end of a bike ride. So something that you're not going to be able to sustain for more than a minute. So a minute and under, you're probably not given more than max effort if you can sustain it for longer than that. Okay, so you're not able to really talk at all. All right. So next time you're out working out, and your coach asks you kind of where you are, or if you're trying to give feedback on a workout, even internally to yourself, you can ask yourself, where do I fall within this 1 to 10 range for your rate of perceived exertion? Hope this helps.